What is up, y'all? It's your boy Swag. I'm about to test out this Santa outfit. Let's see what we can get into.
Swag Stunts, kcsportbikesociety. Go get your merch at the SWAGG shop on Teespring.
Alright, y'all. I think Santa is ready to rock and roll. We're about to hop on the grom. And let's do this. Go to the church and we're gonna set up a little shoot. Watch out for the snow. Oh, why do I keep doing that? Santa crashed, so the camera died. Santa's ready for some streets. People honking at me. Let's do this. Santa's in town, you know it. Santa Claus is coming to town. I don't know why I keep singing that. Santa's waving during wheelies. One-handed Santa. Stir up any attention. Oh, 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 oh. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Thank you! Merry Christmas, ladies! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! They're not even open. Oh, they are open. Merry Christmas! I'm just out bullshitting. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Christmas and God bless everyone. Merry Christmas. God bless you all. Woo! I might have to stop in the barbershop. Christmas, everyone. Cruising around, you know, had to come see the barbershop for a minute.
Merry Christmas, y'all. You got people in the back?
Yeah, right now that's what I'm rocking.
Who else back here? Hello. Merry Christmas.
I'm just riding around on my bike doing Merry Christmas, you know. The videos on YouTube, Swag Stunts.
Okay, I'm gonna have to look you up.
Alrighty.
So I'm gonna follow you.
Alrighty. Take it easy, y'all. Have a good one. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, y'all. Take it easy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Nice.
Doing alright tonight?
Yeah. Nice.
If you're on YouTube, check out Swag Stunts.
Swag stunts.
SWAGG Stunts.
All right, bro.
Take it easy, y'all. Merry Christmas. I'll put y'all in the video too.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Snapchat this group.
All right. All right.
People won't believe me if I say.
Awesome. Tag it, bro. I'm about to make a whole video on Sunday of a bunch of guys dressed up. I'm about to do some wheelies. That's what I'm a Santa that does wheelies. You know what I mean? So, all right, take it easy. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless you, brother. Merry Christmas! 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 And a Happy New Year! Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Merry Christmas! What do you guys want for Christmas?
What are you wanting? You want a transformer, right?
Awesome. I'll get the elves right on it, all right? Oh, I can't get down. Well, by God, I know I can. I got a grum. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Can I take a picture?
Of course you can.
I was sitting here talking about what a bad day I had, and I said, how can you have a bad day when Santa Claus is riding on a motorcycle? Oh my God. Thank you.
Awesome. You know, that's why I'm out here, to maybe bring some happiness to someone's day.
Just made my day. I love to ride.
Thank you. God bless you, dear. Hey, whatever you're going through, you can make it through anything.
Made my day.
Awesome. Well, hold on. I got something else for you. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I came out and did this. Merry Christmas! What's up, kiddos? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! I should have went that way. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Christmas! That lets me go, right? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Santa is starting to get like, woo! Everyone loves Santa.
Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it!